Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to the vlog 2. Today we have a very busy schedule, so I'll walk you through my day. And our first lecture is going to start within few minutes. So let's begin. Our first lecture commences now. So let's join it. So our lecture has just ended and look at this. Oh my god. Wow. This is absolutely my most favorite climate and season. Just amazing. The sound, the noise of the raindrops, and the smell of the mud. This is amazing. Now it's time for quick lunch and then I will commence our next lecture. So friends, the lunch break is over and now the lecture has started. We shall meet not after the lecture but sometime later. It is much later in the evening now and I am going to do some bit of craft kind of things. Basically one of my very close friends is shifting to another place and I decided to give her this stole. It is very beautiful and it's very long one as well. It is very rich in design and color. So I bought it online and I want to give it a personal touch, and I would like to take you all through the process of what I'm going to do. So I hope it turns out well. Let's see. it is done. Now after it dries up, I'll iron it from behind. I'll flip it and then I'll iron it, and I hope it looks good. Let me know if you like it. It looks very nice and shimmery. I don't know if the shimmer is visible on the screen, I mean on the camera, but it definitely looks good, and I think the size is like quite good, like not too big and not too small, so I'm very happy with it. So I'm going to try painting with watercolors. Basically this type of painting I'm going to try for the first time, since I have no idea how it's going to turn out, because I have no experience with watercolors whatsoever. So I hope it turns out well. So I think we can call it a day. The painting, I think it has turned out pretty well. Does it look like fireflies? I used the same acrylic shimmery paint that I used to write her name earlier, so I thought it would give effect of fireflies. I hope it does give. Let me know in the comments if it looks good and how you all feel about it, and please give me any suggestions, because this is the first time I have attempted watercolor painting, so I am pretty satisfied and happy with how it turned out. Anyways, so that's it for today. If you have reached till now, please consider subscribing. Also, in the comments, whatever your thoughts are about this video, if there are any suggestions, let me know, and we shall meet in the next vlog. Bye bye.